Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: an axe that can chop trees, a tinderbox, and a planned route to a magic tree. Once done, teleport to the nearest hub, Varick or Sears Village, so you waste minimal time. Make sure to have inventory space freed and a quick bank or looting bag strategy in mind. You should also check world status for 1+ free tree spawns. Begin by walking straight to the nearest magic tree. Do not idle, begin chopping immediately. You chop with your best axe and focus on maintaining rhythm. Faster ticks equal more logs per hour. Once a tree falls, loot magic logs quickly and decide. Bank now or continue to the next tree depending on inventory. Make sure to account for magic tree respawn times and use world hopping only if safe and efficient. Use agility shortcuts and teleports to minimize travel between trees, and swap gear to optimize weight and run energy to maximize your hourly yield. You finish by banking your collected magic logs or storing them in a looting bag. Once done, prep for the next run by replenishing supplies. If you encounter competition or blocked spawns, world hop smartly or use a private world when possible, and maintain a consistent loop to reduce downtime. If the tree appears chopped but no logs drop or it shows as dead, relog to refresh the server state. If persistent, report the bug and switch locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.